Okay, now this one is on photosynthesis. So bubbles definitely will be your oxygen. Part B, we're using more bubbles produced. So more is a comparative. You must compare test tube A versus test tube B. And why? So let's identify the difference. The difference is that B has a snail and A does not, right? So let's recognize the change variable first, because we have a snail. So it's a living thing that respires to survive, and he gives out carbon dioxide. Okay, certain keywords. Gives out carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is then used up by the plant for photosynthesis. This one is respiration. So when the plant photosynthesizes, it will then produce more oxygen bubbles. So it's like a cycle. So here are some key phrases that you have to have for this question. Snail gives out carbon dioxide during respiration, and then the plant will then use the carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, and in return, it's going to produce more oxygen bubbles. If you don't write that the snail is a living thing, that's fine. Actually, that's not the key phrase there. You can see that the snail respires to survive, or the snail undergoes respiration and gives off carbon dioxide. The important part is respiration and carbon dioxide. It respires, that's why it gives out carbon dioxide. That's the key phrases there. Yeah, that's why I didn't highlight it's a living thing. Actually, that's not one of the main key phrases. Right? You just have to make sure that you have to include it gives out carbon dioxide during respiration. That's 1 mark. Then the plant uses it for photosynthesis, producing oxygen. That's another mark. So I will just separate this out a bit. This one is 1 mark because of the snail, and this one is 1 mark. That's why there will be more bubbles produced.